Okay. Hey guys, it's the Diamond Company here, and today we are going to be going moto vlogging, or I guess riding around. Now we are doing part 2 of kind of the tour. We are going behind the gate today. Now I said in like a little teaser in my last video, or my last moto vlog, I don't know if it's going to be my last video because I may do a GoPro Hero 5 Black review. Results great. Okay. But yeah, so it may have been my last video, maybe not, but my last moto vlog, let's just say. And in my last moto vlog, I said we were gonna go behind the gate as like a little part 2 of the farm tour. Now, it's not really gonna be a tour, just kind of like showing you around. And kind of, you can explore. I mean, I know it by heart. I already know every place in this farm, but you guys can come along with me and kind of see some new stuff and all the quirks and stuff of the land here. Nope, that's second. Okay, just put her in neutral. Sorry if you can hear wind once again. You shouldn't be able to though. So you should be able to recognize this from the last motovlog video. If you haven't watched the last motovlog video, it'll be in the end card in the last like 15 seconds. It'll be in the like card in the last 15 seconds of the video, or like 10 or something, or it'll be somewhere up here in the top right section of your screen. So yeah, go check it out. So basically down there's a hog house. I guess we can go back there or down there when we come back. But yeah, for right now we're just gonna go the simple way through the gate. Now I believe if they haven't used it all, there's a big pile of hay under a tarp. Occasionally we'll get loads of hay bales, and they put them like kind of in a house formation, and we like get on top of them, and it's really cool, and we call it our mansion. Yeah, and it's really fun. They need to go through and bush hog this place. So here you can kind of see that tree. We got a rope and we kind of made a swing out of it one time. And right up here, there's a big trench. So you gotta go kind of to the side. There we go. Oh, I just hit a butterfly. Oh no, another one. There's some tobacco stumps, I think. And this is like what we refer to as like the Autobahn, or what I do. You know, like strip in Germany where you can go as fast as you want on the highway. This is pretty much the Autobahn. Although right now it has a hole in the road, kind of. Right here, if you hit it, you'll like get air, and it's really sketch. And right here, this is really fun to just go like that and just compress down into it. And right here is where I used to film my videos. I filmed my 100 subscriber thank you video. Right here, I have my golf cart. I filmed my golf cart video showing that I had my new golf cart home. Right here, that was pre-lift kit. And you know, you saw that if you watched the golf cart video, you saw that path. Now this, I don't think you've ever seen on the channel. This is like kind of, this goes out to the road, so if you wanted to like go to the road, you can. Right there's pretty much generally always a little washout there. So right here's a really sandy spot. There's a little stream right here that leads to the creek and pond, as you can see. Yeah, and there's actually a really steep ditch right there. I know it doesn't look like it, but there is like major. So we're just gonna turn around here. Go to deploy stabilizers. Okay. And when there's not plants in the fields or crops, whoa, whoa, whoa. We almost got a fail on camera there. Slightly hooning around there. And I heard the Hero 5 is supposed to have like better low light quality, has like a bigger sensor and stuff. So yeah, and right here is kind of like another little Autobahn, although there's kind of like a lot of weeds until you get to this one point. Come on, get a pop, get a pop, get a pop. Or not. And if you guys want me to do a how to like drive a dirt bike with a clutch, just let me know in the comments or something, and I'll definitely get that video out. There used to be like some jumps right here, but now they're just kind of like rhythm sections, but you don't get air, and it's a little bit more satisfying, I guess you could say. It's just like a little path when the gate is closed, because he closes it sometimes. This is basically the way we have to take, and the farmer intentionally left this little path. We did not destroy any crops. So this path is kind of destroyed with like tall grass, but I know it quite well. So yeah, there's the hay bale with like the tarp over it and stuff, and back there's just like a mud pit, and there's like part of the mansion that we were talking about, but you know, they gotta feed the cows, so they gotta take it down. Basically the hole behind the gate. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you want, I will. So I will be doing a kind of new tire on my truck video, because I got new tires and a 2-inch lift on my 1984 Ford F-150. It has a brand new engine in it. It has 2,000 miles with the brand new engine. It's pretty good. 6-cylinder inline 6, and yes, as always, this is Diamond Company. I'll see you.